Hi, Danielle J. Johnson with R1 Florida Real Estate, and I thank you very much for watching. What if you knew that you could own your own home by putting little, if any, money down, reap all the tax advantages of home ownership, and pay no more in mortgage payments than you're presently paying in rent? Would you want to know? I thought you might, and why wouldn't you? This is the season to be educated with the rise of home values and interest rates creeping. It'll scare a potential buyer, and I would like nothing better than to help you achieve your dream of home ownership. Over the next couple of weeks, I will walk you through the buying process from offer to closing. So get your pens and pads out. We're now joining the 65% of buyers starting their journey. By the way, if you're concerned about a possible less than stellar credit history, don't let that discourage you. While not all credit issues are able to be resolved, many are and we won't know until we try. I hope this helps you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact me by phone, text, or email. I'm always looking to do what number one expects. Have a great day.